Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you withdrawal from Bitbuy to bank account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and on the search bar simply type in bitbuy.com. Then you'll be sent to your homepage. Now log into your account, and once you're logged into your account, on the top bar you'll be seeing 5 options, and among them you'll be seeing an option that says Express Trade. Simply click on it, and once you click on it you'll be seeing this kind of page. Now in order to sell it, simply click on the option that says Sell, and then select the currency, that is Bitcoin, and here enter in the Bitcoin amount how much you want to sell it. And once you have done with that, click on Sell Bitcoin. And once you do that, here you will be sent to your transaction summary. Now all you gotta do is check the information and then click on Sell Bitcoin. And that's basically how you sell Bitcoins. And now once you have done with that, here what you need to do in order to withdraw from Bitbuy to the bank account is click on this withdraw fund. And once you click on this withdraw funds, you'll be sent to this withdraw CAD to your bank account. Now here you can choose the payment method, either the wire transfer or inter-rack e-transfer. And then you can either use the available amount or enter in the amount that you want to withdraw. Now the next option is to select a bank, and once you select a bank, click on next. Then your transaction summary will be shown. Now check it and then click on next, and once you do that, here a two-factor authentication will be required, and a 6-digit code will be sent to your Google Authenticator. Now all you gotta do is just simply enter in that 6-digit code and then click on withdraw CAD. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.